This screencast will explain how to search the library's online catalog, which is a record of all the material housed in Wallerstedt Library on the Bethany campus. It will also explain how to find a list of books in the Opposing Viewpoints series. To get to the library's homepage, click on the Academics tab on the Bethany homepage. Then click on the Library tab on the left-hand side of the screen. From the library's homepage, click on the link for the online catalog on the left-hand side of the screen. There are several different ways to search the online catalog. The most common are by title, by author, or by subject. Unless you have a specific title or author in mind, the best search to start with is the subject search. When searching by subject in the online catalog, it is best to start with broad general terms and narrow your search after seeing some of the results. For example, when searching for information about doping in sports, start with the term doping. Once you have double-checked your spelling, click Submit Search. This screen shows a list of all subjects and the number of results for each subject. Click on the first subject, Doping in Sports. Now you will see a list of book titles about this subject. The year that each book is published can be seen on the right-hand side of the screen. Click on the second title, Doping in Elite Sport, the Politics of Drugs in the Olympic Movement. Now you will see information about a specific book in the library. The location will give you the general area that the item is located in the library, and the call number will tell you exactly where to find the book. The status will tell you whether or not the item is available. If there is a date underneath the status, that means the book is currently checked out and is due back on the date listed. If you find that you do need the book, please let one of the librarians know, and we can interlibrary loan an additional copy for you. Mini records will also list a table of contents for the book. These will tell you how relevant the book might be to your research. There are also hot linked subject headings at the bottom of the record. These may give you other ideas for search terms to use in your research. To continue searching, you can go to the previous or next record in the list. You can type in another subject term at the top of the screen, or you can go back to the home page of the library's catalog by clicking on the Start Over button. If you are in Dr. Van Tassel's EN 101 class, you are required to include a voice of opposition in your final paper. The books in the Opposing Viewpoints series not only contain information that will help you support your argument, but they can also provide you with information that is opposed to your argument. To find a list of all of the Opposing Viewpoints books in the library, search for Opposing Viewpoints in the title search. Make sure that your spelling is correct and that viewpoints is spelled as one word. When you see the list of titles, look for the 8th entry with the title Opposing Viewpoints Series unnumbered. There should be 226 entries for this title. Now you will see a list in order by title of all the Opposing Viewpoints books in the library. As before, the publication date can be seen on the right-hand side of the screen, and most of these books have been published after the year 2000, so the information should be fairly current. Some subjects have more than one title. Often these two books are very similar, but they may contain different articles, so it is best to check each one to see if they are relevant to your topic. If you click on a title to open a record, it will look similar to what we have seen before, often with a table of contents that can tell you exactly what the book is about. Additional subject terms can also be found at the bottom of this record. All books in the library can be checked out for 4 weeks at a time. If you have any questions about the information in this screencast, you can call the library at 785-227-3380, extension 8165, or stop by and see us. During the summer, our hours are 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday through Friday.